Alright guys, so we're pretty much finished. Well, you'll have to stop. Something just happened to my car. My brake caliper seized. My brake's seized.
So what happened there?
Well, I think something was jammed in the caliper there, on the brake, on the right side. Like,
Making such a weird noise.
nah, something weird's going on, eh? Metal on metal, I can hear it. I can smell it too.
I thought it was the back right hand one.
Alright, I'll just stay on the UHF and... do you want me to go first?
I don't know how to go home, so... You go middle.
Don't like it. I think there's something stuck in my brake. I can feel it fucking grabbing. See, you feel it trying to pull me off the road?
This smells like burnt prawns.
Smoky, smoky, smoky.
Yeah.
Sometimes you may be good, sometimes you may be shit.
Is it definitely the brake?
Has to be.
Dude, it feels like the ABS is like grabbing.
Smoky.
Did it just smoke up straight away?
Yeah,
You must have just hit the fucking skids, eh? and fucking-
I could feel it like going to the left, like it kept grabbing and then not grabbing.
But the wheel hasn't locked up because that's not fucking burnt rubber smell.
Got a torch or something?
It doesn't smell like skids.
Yeah, it is on that side and that's locked, I think.
Don't seize day. Look how hard that is. Hold my nuts.
Yuck.
Was there signal at Kenilworth?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see. That'd be close.
Yeah.
Oh, my calf just locked.
Oh man.
One eternity later.
Just waiting for a mate. Right here.
We left Charlie Moreland. Continued down the road, heard a noise. Powered on like usual. And then drove down the road a bit further and smoke started coming from the right hand front wheel, causing a wheel bearing to kaput. 22,500 Ks. All kaput.
Done myself a wheel bearing.
Time to reminisce of the good times.
Remember when the wheel bearing worked?
Has to be the coldest day that Queensland has seen since last winter, definitely. Has yours got temperature then?
12 degrees.
5 degrees.
12 degrees.
Ah! Chilly.
I need help. I'm on the side of the road. So this has happened. A couple hours later, that's a bloody towie. all the way out here to get us.
Unreal. Like you got the Triton, man.
So it's made it home.
Unfortunately, on the back of a tow truck.
Two weeks later.
Alright, thought we'd just quickly update you on what has happened. It's been a very, very long 2 weeks. We've been non-stop breaking down and working on the car. So as you guys seen in the previous clips out at Kenilworth, we actually diagnosed that this wheel bearing here clapped out completely. Chris, when he told me on the UHF to pull over, he said that there was smoke pretty much just billowing out of the wheel. Quickly diagnosed that it was a wheel bearing. Kind of thought the brake caliper was sticking, but anyway, she went on the back of a tow truck, as you guys seen. Yeah, we left her on the street out front of my unit. So took me a couple days to get the whole hub in. You have to replace the whole hub, not just the bearing inside of it, because it's like a press fit thing, which is better because you get new studs and all that. Had a prick of a time getting the hub off on the first one, and yeah, first one, there's more, hold on. And yeah, pretty much fixed this with my old man, just sitting on the gutter out front of the unit. Then drove around for maybe an hour on Saturday and maybe an hour on Sunday. Drove around, noises started happening again, so pulled off the side of the road. This time we're on a main road, and the CV boot was leaking. Now it's probably was leaking because I actually hit it maybe with a hammer trying to get the hub off. So the guys over at Automotive actually helped me put a stretch boot on it, which is awesome. Like they stayed back after hours and helped me out. So props to those guys, they're really cool. Anyway, that brings us to put the drive shaft back in, and that was all sweet. Literally drove round the corner, knocking noises again, and yeah, sort of thought that I maybe done something wrong, or the ABS was grabbing or something like that, but quickly found out then, jacked the other side up and wriggled the wheel, and the other bearing was actually clapped out as well. So don't know how that's happened. The ute only has 22,000 Ks on it. These are 0 offset wheels, so I mean, I can't see how they actually did it, because so many of you guys actually run a 0 offset wheel and like you got 80,000 Ks and all that sort of stuff. We weren't wheeling, as you've probably seen in that Kenilworth video, that hard. I thought maybe I hit the water at Balloomba too hard and it pressed water into the bearing, but we were actually getting ABS lights and like flashing warning lights on the dash when we were in Kenilworth. So that was prior to going through the water at Balloomba. I did actually manage to film the first hub that went, me and my old man fixing it, so I have that down in the left hand corner here. You can see us just working in the night trying to get that done. We can't make a lot of noise around our units, so we were trying to be real quiet with the hammering and all that. But there was a couple of tricks that I learned along the way. Like, everything's a learning curve with these things, but I'm now a master at changing MP300 hubs, so if anyone needs a wheel bearing done, just hit me up and we'll sort it out. But yeah, as you can see, that is some Kenilworth dirt still on the car. We haven't washed it yet. Alright, so that's pretty much a quick run there. Alright, so we're back in action.
Stop. Oh.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much just a quick rundown of what's actually happened. I know on Instagram, at Roam Life, that a lot of you guys were asking what's happened because I was posting broken down photos saying that this thing is POS. But, yeah, she's back up and running. We're testing her out and having a good time. Anyway, tough as nails now, mate. She's Tom certified, Roam Life approved. Bloody never going to break again, I'll tell you. On a positive note, if you guys would like to support the channel, we do have stickers, hoodies and shirts available. Every little bit really does help, so I'd love to see some of you guys repping the stickers and the hoodies and the shirts, and that's the design on the back. Pretty cool. All the boys been repping it, so love it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video and it's not too boring, but peace out. Catch us next time. No, that's a bit gay, eh? Thank you all for watching. We'll catch you next time. Roam Life.
Don't.
Woo-woo. That's it. Cut.